As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with our work and play spaces, one question keeps echoing in our minds. What would it take to revolutionize the way we interact with our screens? We're constantly being bombarded with information from multiple directions, and our monitors are no longer just passive display devices. With the Dell UltraSharp U4025QW, we've got the chance to experience a 40-inch class 5K, 2K wooed curved screen LED monitor that's designed to redefine what's possible with productivity and entertainment. But before we dive into the details, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. In today's fast-paced world, work-life balance has become a luxury few of us can afford. With increasing demands on our time and attention, we're looking for any edge we can get to stay ahead of the curve. That's where the Dell UltraSharp U4025QW comes in, addressing a critical market gap in the realm of display technology. This monitor's design is a masterclass in balance and ergonomics. Its sleek, curved aesthetic is both visually stunning and surprisingly practical, providing a more immersive viewing experience that's hard to put into words. But beyond its impressive looks, the U4025QW boasts a solid, no-nonsense build that speaks to its ruggedness and dependability. One of the first things you'll notice about the Dell UltraSharp U4025QW is its intuitive interface. With a user-friendly approach to settings and navigation, this monitor makes it easy to get started and stay productive. From adjusting display settings to connecting your favorite peripherals, the U4025QW's interface is both seamless and straightforward. So, let's take a closer look at the features that set the Dell UltraSharp U4025QW apart from the competition. The first major innovation we'd like to highlight is the inclusion of USB Type-C connectivity. This powerful and efficient interface allows for blazing fast data transfer and recharging of your devices, making it an absolute game-changer for content creators and heavy users. In addition to its groundbreaking connectivity options, the Dell UltraSharp U4025QW boasts an incredible 39.7-inch viewable screen size that makes it perfect for everything from graphic design to video production. With its 5K, 2K resolution and ultra-wide 21:9 aspect ratio, you'll be treated to an unparalleled level of detail and immersion that's simply unmatched by other monitors in its class. But what really sets the U4025QW apart is its blistering 5 milliseconds response time. This exceptional performance makes it an absolute must-have for anyone who loves action-packed movies, sports, or high-octane gaming. Whether you're a serious gamer, movie buff, or simply someone who demands the highest level of immersion from their entertainment, the Dell UltraSharp U4025QW has got you covered. In terms of real-world testing, we've had the chance to put the Dell UltraSharp U4025QW through its paces in a variety of scenarios. From working with demanding graphical applications to enjoying the latest blockbuster films, we've put this monitor through every conceivable use case. So what do we find? In a word, it's been a game changer. With its unbeatable response time, stunning display, and cutting-edge connectivity options, the Dell UltraSharp U4025QW has earned a permanent spot in our rotation. But, as with any product, there are strengths and weaknesses to consider. On the plus side, the U4025QW offers an unbeatable combination of performance, usability, and style that makes it an irresistible choice for anyone in the market for a top-tier display. Its exceptional build quality, intuitive interface, and groundbreaking features all contribute to a user experience that's both seamless and empowering. On the downside, we do have a few minor quibbles. For example, some users may find the monitor's height adjustment mechanism to be a tad stiffer than expected. Additionally, the U4025QW's price point may be out of reach for some budget-conscious buyers. Now, let's take a closer look at how the Dell UltraSharp U4025QW stacks up against its competitors in the high-end display market. In a nutshell, this monitor is in a league of its own. With its unbeatable response time, stunning display, and cutting-edge features, the U4025QW sets a new standard for what we can expect from our monitors. But what does this mean for you? If you're in a market for a top-tier display that will take your work and play experiences to the next level, The Dell UltraSharp U4025QW is an absolute must-consider. With its unbeatable combination of performance, usability, and style, this monitor is poised to revolutionize the way we interact with our screens. So what are you waiting for? Take the leap and experience the future of display technology for yourself. The Dell UltraSharp U4025QW is more than just a monitor. It's a doorway to an entirely new world of productivity and entertainment that's waiting to be explored.